everyone, my name is Divyani Nayak, a Senior Research Fellow at Grow Research Laboratory, Narayan Nethralaya, Bangalore. Today, we are going to talk about our study titled Trehalose Extricates Impaired Mitochondrial and Autophagy Dysfunction in Patient iPSC-Derived Macular Corneal Dystrophy Model. This study focuses on inherited eye disease called macular corneal dystrophy. In this condition, material buildups in the cornea, making it cloudy and affecting vision. Right now, the main treatment is corneal transplantation. But what the researchers still don't understand is what causes the disease at cellular level. So what did we do? We collected blood cells from patients with the disease and converted them into induced pluripotent stem cells, also known as iPSCs. These are special cells that can almost become any cell type in the body. Then these cells were differentiated into corneal stromal keratocytes, the similar cells which are affected in the disease, allowing us to create a patient-specific disease model in the lab. We discovered two major problems inside the disease cells. First, the mitochondria, which are basically the powerhouses of the cell and were not functioning properly. Secondly, autophagy was impaired. Autophagy is the cell's natural cleaning system that removes damaged proteins or any other waste particles. Because of this system being defective, harmful protein aggregates accumulated inside the cells. How do we solve this problem? Here comes the exciting part. We treated the cells with trehalose, a natural sugar known to stimulate autophagy. After treatment, the cell showed a healthier mitochondria, improved cellular waste clearance, and reduced protein buildup. In simple words, trehalose helped rescue the damaged cells. So, why is this important? This study not only explains about macular corneal dystrophy, how it develops, but also suggests that trehalose could become a future therapeutic strategy for managing the disease. And importantly, it also shows how powerful patient-derived stem cell models are for studying eye diseases and testing and identifying newer therapeutic strategies. Thank you.